Hi, my name is Alvaro. Welcome to ABC Guitar Workshop. If you have been following my channel, you are familiar with the guitar that I built last month for the Great Guitar Build of 2020. But building guitars is not everything I do. I also do repairings and maintenance for other people. So on this video, I'm gonna be showing you two custom painted guitars. They were painted by a local artist and I have been entrusted with their assemble and setup. Let's get into it. Here we have two factory-made guitars whose bodies were painted by a local artist called Dominic Klassen. I will leave his information in the description below. Both guitars have solid bodies and bolt-on necks, and you can see that the necks were not painted. The one on the left is a Soloist guitar. It's a Honor Viper series. It has a Floyd Rose, one humbucker on the bridge position and two single coils. And the one on the right is a Harley Benton Flying V with two humbuckers and a two-pneumatic bridge system. The Flying V is supposed to use this white pickguard or scratch plate to hold the electronics in place, and it looks really cool, but it's also sad to cover the paint job. And also this white scratch plate is in really bad condition. The technique used to paint these guitars is called hydrodipping, and it consists on submerging them in a container of water with different colors of paint. Afterwards, they receive a couple of coats of clear lacquer to protect the paint, and that's how they get this unique paint job. I really like how they look. If you feel the same way, please subscribe to my channel to follow the progress, because I will be making future videos where I work on these guitars. Thanks for watching my video and see you next time.